What is going on, you peeps? How you doing? Listen, I'm back out here at the property, and I'm gonna keep on keeping on. If you saw in my previous video, I was working on, why am I so dressed over? I mean, I'm overdressed, folks. I've been inside like all day working, and now the weather has turned up really nicely, and it's like 45 degrees out, which is actually pretty nice. Maybe it's even warmer than that. But while I was working indoors, I had peeps working outdoors. Well, I guess they're working indoors technically. They're working on my house, and had electricians out here. So I am super pumped about that because because we got electrical coming, folks. We got it going. All right, as you can see, we got electrical wire hanging from the ceilings and stuff. Got all sorts of stuff I bought. Boom, got those guys, fart fans, at Costco of all places, and they're pretty cheap. They're $100 a piece, which, I mean, and they got the humidity sensing, all that fancy stuff. They can sense your farts like no problem. They'll just turn on when you fart. They're like, what was that? Yep. So yeah, got that. Got those. They got started. I'm pumped about it. Yeah, they got the plans nailed up under the wall. Can lights are up in the ceiling. Fan boxes, all that good stuff. Looks like this whole room is already wired, basically. Dang, boys. Hot diggity dangity. Okay, all right. We got some wire action going on. This whole room is wired. Got the can lights up in here. This hallway can lights, smoke detector, all up in here. Looks like this bathroom is just about wired, if not already. There's one of my fans up there pointing around, going out the soffit. That's what we're doing there. Yeah, looks like this whole room is wired as well. So, tell you what, boy. All right. Yep, cool. Well, we got basically this whole side of the house, what I call the east wing, wired. So that's cool. Yeah, awesome. I'm pumped about that. Looks like they set some boxes over on this side. Looks like they got working on can lights up in the dining room area. They made some good progress today. Nice. I dig it. All right, now I gotta make some progress. I gotta continue on with my plumbing action. I got what I needed as far as various fittings for PEX. I just got to keep on going with it. That's what I got to keep on doing. So that's what I'm going to be working on today. While I still got a couple hours of daylight, I'm going to keep working on this, and hopefully I can make some more progress here, because, yeah, I want to get this DUN done, if you know what I'm saying. Cool. All right, well, let's work. Hello. One of the things I don't like about PEX, okay, I'll be honest, is just how it bends. It wants to twirl on you constantly, because it comes in a roll and comes all spooled up, and in the wintertime it's hard to get it to be straight. You kind of have to bend it and like work it and massage it to try to straighten out as much as possible, but you're always left with like it wanting to just curl over and stuff. Super annoying, but it is what it is. I mean, whatever. Let's just keep on, you know what I mean? Boo, yeah. Okay. We keep on going. I need that one to go here. I need one more to go this way. A little too long. Yikes. Booyah shaka. Alright. Now we need one. Whoa, Nelly. Going right back towards me. This will work your calves, folks. It'll work your calves. Stand on ladders. Nice. Alright, so we made my connections here. Look at that beaut. What a beaut. Super easy. I mean, PEX is, that's the main advantage. You can just, no sweat and pipe, none of that business. You just go to town. Crimp, crimp, go, go. Next. The only problem is it just likes to flop around and not necessarily aim in the direction you want it to go. So if you're looking for it to be nice and pretty, yeah, whatever. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna keep on working on this. We'll get back with you. Okay, this side is done. I mean the trunk, the main run, as you can see. And everything else is teed off and gonna go down to the fixtures. So these are gonna go left towards me, and then these guys are gonna elbow over and come down to the sink there. But this side of the house is trunked. All right, yeah, the main 3/4 inch line is run on this side of the house. Now I need to go over on this side of the house and basically tee off, because the main water line's coming over there, my main run, and then it goes that way and goes over to where I was just at. So I need to connect this over here and tee off and go all the way down to that side of the house. So that's what I'm gonna do now. My goal is to at least get these main 3/4 inch trunks run, and then start going off of those and coming down to all the different fixtures and stuff and getting those bad boys taken care of. So that's my goal. We'll keep working at it. I'll be back with you. All right, what is this? Anyway, I am done for today. Sun is going down, clearly. I mean, what a beaut. What a beaut. Look at that beaut. That's hard to see probably. And then right here, I mean, what do you want from this, huh? Just a beaut, right? If I tell you what. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Plumbing, I tell you, man, using these crimpers here, these little guys right here, you gotta crimp them and you gotta crunch them. And look how wide that is. Like, you can't, so you gotta use 2 arms and 2 hands, and it's just like, I tell you, I don't know if this is a thing, but I think I have plumber's elbow. I'm not kidding. Like, it just, oh man. Yeah, it's a thing. I just made it up. Anyway, I got the main trunk done on the west side of the house, so I'm happy about that. I got connected like I wanted to, and now all I gotta do is make my run down to the east side of the house, and I will be done with 3/4 inch. Then I can go off that trunk and come down to all my fixtures and whatnot with the 1/2 inch PEX. So I'm happy about that. I just got to work for, I don't know, what was it, like maybe an hour and a half or so today. So yeah, I mean, you do what you can, right? You just gotta do what you can. I mean, what else do I tell you? Keep at it, okay? But yeah, electricians will be out here again tomorrow, so I'm I'm happy that they were here. Got a good chunk of work done. They said they can knock it out in 3 days. We'll see. We'll see. I'm interested to see if that's the case. But either way, I'm happy that we're getting work done. Anyway, I ain't gonna keep you, but if you want to stick around, hang out, watch some of my other videos, feel free to do so. If you want to see some videos that are gonna come into the future on the house build, feel free to subscribe, hit that like, hit the bell to get notified, and yeah, just follow along. Anyway, I don't know what else to say. You guys got me for a loss for words. Y'all take it easy. Till next time.